Hello friends, today we will discuss about linear magnification for concave mirror and some extra formula for G, need or Guchkeit. Right? Okay. Now we already know mirror formula. What is mirror formula? So we know that 1 by u plus 1 by v is equals to 1 by f, right? Or we can also write 1 by u plus 1 by v is equals to 2 by r. Why? Because r is equals to 2f, right? Okay. Now if we want to find focal length, so we have to formulate f in terms of u and v. So we know that 1 by f is equals to 1 by u plus 1 by v. Here LCM is u and v, so you can write that 1 by f is equals to LCM uv. So here v plus u, right? So we can write that f is equals to uv upon u plus v. So you have to remember that f is equals to uv upon u plus v. Or if we have to find out object distance in terms of v and f, so for object distance, so from 1 by u plus 1 by v is equals to 1 by f, we have to formulate 1 by u. So 1 by u is equals to 1 by f minus 1 by v. So here FV LCM, so here v minus f, so we can write that u is equals to fv upon v minus f. So you have to remember this equation, u is equals to fv upon v minus f. Same for image distance. If we have to find out image distance, then for image distance, so for image distance from mirror equation, 1 by u plus 1 by v is equals to 1 by f. So we have to formulate image distance 1 by v. So 1 by v is equals to 1 by f minus 1 by u. So here uf LCM, so u minus f. So we can write that v is equals to uf upon u minus f. So you have to remember this equation, v is equals to uf upon u minus f. So friends, this is your important formula for examination like JEE, NEET or Guchkeit. So here you have to remember the following formula. First, mirror formula, which is 1 by u plus 1 by v is equals to 1 by f, or 1 by u plus 1 by v is equals to 2 by r, because r is equals to 2f. Suppose we have to find out focal length and u and v given, so we have to remember this equation, f is equals to uv upon u plus v. Or if you want to find out object distance, so you have to remember this formula, u is equals to fv upon v minus f. And if you have to find out image distance, so image distance v is equals to uf upon u minus f. So this formula are very useful for your examinations. Okay. Now we discuss about linear magnification for concave mirror, right? So here see this figure, we have already discussed about this figure in mirror formula. This is same figure, right? So question arises in your mind, what is linear magnification? So you already study about linear magnification in your standard 10. So linear magnification is the ratio of height of the image to the height of object. So we can write that linear magnification is the ratio of height of image to the height of object, right? So we can write that linear magnification is the ratio of height of image to the height of object. So here we take height of image is h dash and height of object is h. So here height of object is h and height of image which is h dash. So here we can write that linear magnification is equals to height of image upon height of object, right? Here height of image h dash and height of object h, right? So we can write that image linear magnification m is equals to h dash upon h, right? Okay. Now we have to prove the formula of linear magnification for concave mirror in terms of object distance and image distance. We already know that object distance, which is small u, and image distance small v. So here we can see in this figure that AB, which is object, and A dash B dash, which is the image of an object, right? Okay. So here we placed object AB on the principal axis in front of the concave mirror, right? Okay. So we can write that as shown in figure. In figure, object AB placed on principal axis in front of concave mirror, right? Okay. Now the two rays, we know two rays. First ray is here a ray from A, which is strike on our mirror. Here we denoted this point by Q. After striking, it is passed through the principal focus F, right? And another ray which is from A and strikes on a pole and passes like this. When these two rays intersect, we can see the image of an object, right? So here you can see that the ray AQ and AP intersect at point A dash after the reflection. So here A dash is the image of A, and we can see that image A dash B dash, right? So we can write that two rays AQ and AP intersect at point A dash after the reflection, right? So A dash B dash is the image of object AB, right? So here, to prove linear magnification which is small m in the form of image distance and object distance, we can see from the figure that here triangle ABP and triangle A dash B dash P are similar. You can see in this figure, right? Here AB, which is height of object, and A dash B dash height of image, which is H dash, right? So we can see from the figure that here triangle ABP and triangle A dash B dash P are similar. So from geometry we can write that. So here AB upon A dash B dash is equals to BP upon B dash P. I repeat, here as per the geometry, triangle ABP and A dash B dash P are similar. So we can write that AB upon A dash B dash is equals to BP upon B dash P, right? So we can write that AB upon A dash B dash is equals to BP upon B dash P, or we can also write that A dash B dash upon AB is equals to B dash P upon BP, right? Okay, but here we know the value of A dash B dash, AB, B dash P and BP. You can see in this figure that AB, which is height of object, A dash B dash, which is height of image, H dash, BP, object distance minus U, B dash P, image distance minus V. But we already know as per the sign convention that if the height above the principal axis is taken as positive and height below the principal axis are taken as negative. So here height capital H, which is above the principal axis, so here we take H positive, but height H dash, which is below the principal axis, so we can take H dash is negative. So here A dash B dash, which is height of an image, which is H dash, but this height is below principal axis, so we can write minus H dash. AB, height of object, which is H, is equals to value of b dash p. Here you can see that b dash p, which is minus v, and bp minus u. So b dash p, which is minus v, and bp minus u. Here minus minus cancel, so we can write that h dash upon h minus h dash upon h is equals to v by u, or h dash upon h is equals to minus v by u. But we know that h dash upon h, right, it is the ratio of height of an image and height of object. So we know that h dash upon h is equals to m. Here already we have studied m is equals to h dash upon h. So we can write that m is equals to minus v by u. So here this is the formula of linear magnification for concave mirror, right? Okay, I repeat, as per the figure, here triangle ABP and A dash B dash P are similar, right? So we can write that AB upon BP is equals to A dash B dash upon B dash P, or we can also write that AB upon A dash B dash is equals to BP upon B dash P, as you wish. So here I write AB upon A dash B dash is equals to BP upon B dash P, or A dash B dash upon AB is equals to B dash P upon BP. Here A dash B dash height of image, which is h dash, AB height of object h, but here AB, which is height upward the principal axis, so we take h positive, image height, which is h dash and downward from the principal axis, so we take h dash negative. So here you can see that A dash B dash, which is minus h dash, AB h, B dash P image distance minus v, BP object distance minus u, minus cancel, so minus h dash upon h is equals to v by u. Here we take minus to right hand side, so h dash upon h is equals to minus v by u. But we know that magnification m is equals to h dash by h, so we can write that m is equals to minus v by u. So here this is our important formula for our examination, right? You have to remember this formula, magnification m is equals to minus v by u. You also have to remember that if magnification is negative, then our image is real, and if magnification is positive, then image is virtual. I repeat, if magnification is negative, then image is real, and if magnification is positive, then image is virtual. So you have to remember this sentence. Okay, now we discuss one sum related to magnification, right? So here this is our first sum. An object is placed at, in first case 10 centimeter, in second case 5 centimeter, in front of a concave mirror of radius of curvature 15 centimeter. Find the position, nature and magnification of the image in each case, right? So here object is placed at 10 centimeter and in second case 5 centimeter. So here object distance is given. We know object distance is denoted by u. So here we discuss our first case, right? So here in first case object is placed at 10 centimeter. So here object distance u is equals to 10 centimeter. But here we take minus. Why? Because the distance measured opposite to the incident ray are taken as negative, right? So here object distance u is equals to minus 10. Okay, in second case we have to take u is equals to minus 5, right? But here we discuss about first case. Mirror of radius of curvature 15 centimeter. So here radius of curvature capital R 15 centimeter, but we have to take minus 15 centimeter. So focal length f is equals to r by 2. So minus 15 divided by 2, which is 7.5. So minus 7.5 centimeter, right? Okay. Now find the position, nature and magnification of the image. So we have to find image distance, which is position. Nature, either the image is virtual or real, right? Already we have discussed that magnification is negative, then image is real, and if positive then image is virtual, right? Okay. And we have to find magnification, which is m. So here u, r or f, which is known, we have to find out v. So here we already know the formula of concave mirror. Which is the formula? We know that 1 by u plus 1 by v is equals to 1 by f. We have to find v, then we can write that 1 by v is equals to 1 by f minus 1 by u, right? Okay, so that 1 by v is equals to 1 by f, 1 by value of f, which is minus 7.5, minus 7.5, minus 1 by u, 1 by value of u, which is minus 10, then minus minus plus 10, right? I repeat, 1 by v is equals to 1 by f minus 1 by u. So 1 by value of f minus 7.5 minus 1 by u minus 10. So minus minus plus. So here plus. So here we take LCM of 7.5 and 10, which is 75. So 1 by v is equals to 75 LCM. So here we have to multiply by 10, then minus 10 plus 7.5. So 1 by v is equals to minus 2.5 upon 75. We have to find v. So v is equals to 75 upon minus 2.5. So we can get v is equals to minus 30. So v is equals to minus 30 centimeter, right? Okay. We have to find out magnification. So we know that magnification m is equals to minus v by u. So minus value of v minus 30 upon u, we know that u is equals to minus 10. So here minus 10. So here minus minus cancel, and 13 by 10. So we get 3, but minus 3. So we can get m is equals to minus 3. So if magnification is negative, then we can say that image is real. So image is real. So in first case, image is real. Now we discuss about our second case, right? Okay, so now second case. So in second case, the object is placed at 5 centimeter. So we have to take u is equals to minus 5 centimeter, right? Other data are same. We have to find out v and magnification m. So we know the formula here. Already we have discussed that 1 by v is equals to 1 by f minus 1 by u. Right. So 1 by v is equals to 1 by f minus 1 by u. So 1 by v is equals to 1 by f minus 7.5, so minus 7.5 minus 1 by u, but u is minus 5, so minus plus 5. So here we have to take LCM of 7.5 and 5, which is 7.5, right? So 1 by v is equals to LCM 7.5. So here minus 1 plus, we have to multiply here that 1.5, right? So 1.5 minus 1. So 1 by v is equals to 0.5 upon 7.5, right? So v is equals to 7.5 upon 0.5, which is 15. So we can get v is equals to 15 centimeter. Magnification, we already know the formula. M is equals to minus v by u. So minus value of v 15, value of u here minus 5 centimeter. Minus cancel, therefore 3. So m is equals to 3. So if magnification is positive, then image is virtual. So we can write that. So image is virtual, right? Okay.